I need to remove this toilet because we're in the remodeling phase right now, and it's time for it to come out. So I need to remove all the water out of the toilet before I remove the toilet. Best way to do that, obviously, start by turning the valve off and flushing the toilet. We want as much water out of that toilet as possible to begin. I'm going to lift the lid, and we still have a decent amount of water in the toilet. So how do we get that out? We don't want to remove the toilet without removing the water. Right here's the answer. This is a liquid transfer pump from Harbor Freight, and it works very well. I believe it runs on a couple of C or D batteries, I can't remember which, but I've had this one for years. They're about $13. They're super cheap. Liquid transfer pump. This is your easiest way. So I've got a bucket here next to me. Let me tilt the camera down where you can see it. We're going to turn the switch on, and just like that, we're removing all of the water from the bowl. Now the trick to this is, don't turn the switch to off until you transfer it into the bucket. See how much more water comes out of it? So that's got pretty much all of the water out of the bowl, but what about the tank? Well, there's a trick to that too. Because I don't have room for the toilet on the side, let me tilt you up here. I have to hold the bucket at the same time. What I like to do is remove the toilet bolts, then I can tilt the toilet to the side. Now I can use this liquid transfer pump up here, and you can see we've got water flowing through it, and we're going to get almost all that water out of that tank. There we go. Super easy, super quick, really cheap solution. Let me show you how much water is left in that tank. Not much. Pretty much empty. Same for the bowl. Almost completely empty. So that's how you do it, or that's how I do it. Liquid transfer pump from Harbor Freight. Check it out.